Zhongtuo's fully automatic CU stud and track roll forming line has just completed installation and commissioning, and the machine is running perfectly. Under the professional support of Zhongtuo engineer, the customer's factory started smooth production on day one. Engineer Chen provided full on-site service, equipment debugging, operator training, maintenance guidance, and process optimization. Why choose Zhongtuo? From double head decoiler, auto size, changing forming, servo, tracking, cutter, stacking, and packing, every unit is seamlessly linked for high-speed, stable, continuous production. The entire line is equipped with smart monitoring, remote diagnostics, and early warning systems for downtime prevention, keeping your production efficient and worry-free. Automation at its best, lower labor cost, higher efficiency, and consistent quality 24/7. Safety, precision, and durability that meet Europe's strict requirements. Whether you need stud and track, ceiling profiles, or load-bearing keel systems, Zhongtuo engineers can recommend, design, and build machines based on your exact market and profile sizes.